Hello there, friends. Mia T-Rex here. Well, yesterday I weighed myself. I have lost 10 pounds as of yesterday. I would have lost more, but I don't really have that much water weight on me. So that was cool to know that, because that means I was overweight, but I was healthier than I was the first go around. That's the first time I weighed myself since I started this whole thing. I didn't want to focus on just weight. So hitting the juice pretty hard and dealing with the fluctuations that come with this fast, which is a really weird fast. I keep going to the bathroom. Although I'm straining my juice, I keep going to the bathroom, which is weird. I felt really terrific yesterday. I probably feel terrific today, but I just woke up and I did have a bad nightmare last night, so that's one thing. It takes me a while to wake up after that, so still got one foot in the dream. Nightmare, as the case may be. But I'm doing great. I hope you guys are doing great. And please do watch my older videos too on Juicing for the Win YouTube, because I documented all of the fasts that I did, so it's all there. Pretty soon I want to do a video of like a recap of how far I've come just this month of fasting, but I am a work in progress. Thank you for your patience. I will see you guys soon. I love you. And remember, I'm doing it, so you can too.